nominations announced this morning, and of course, we have an in here on Kababayan LA because one of the board members is a Kababayan, and we love having him on the show. So joining us this afternoon, Ruben Nepales, our proud Kababayan in the Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Hi, Gina. Kumusta?
Mabuti naman, but you know what? I feel bad because I know that you barely had enough time to sleep.
Yes. Kanina pa akong 3 o'clock gising kasi nga we have to be there by 5 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
Sa Hilton, yes.
Tell me what happens, okay? Tell me how the screening goes. Let us in on what you guys do.
Well, as opposed sa ibang award-giving bodies, kami year-round kami nag-screen ng movies. And we also interview the talents year-round. So, unlike ibang award-giving bodies, ngayon lang sila nag-rush manood, ganun. Kami the whole year.
You were already grading?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so a lot of surprises in this year's nominees. First of all, The Tourist, Best Film. Really?
Nababasa ko nga ang mga comments, pero as you know, Janelle, this is a group that's made up of more than 90 journalists. So parang United Nations ito. It's a democracy, so you never know kung anong lalabas na resulta.
Right. But see, does it figure like, you know, you're all from different countries and it's different ethnicities. And of course, when it's like that, we come from different backgrounds, from different cultures. So do you think that plays a part?
Oh, definitely. Kasi parang United Nations, different temperaments. So, pero more or less, we're more or less bound by the same ethic principles. Pero lumalabas din ang iba-ibang observations or judgments.
The top nominees for Best Film included there is Social Network.
Yes.
And
yes, at saka The King's Speech.
Yes, The King's Speech.
Black Swan, and by the way, kababa ko lang ng phone kay Darren Aronofsky, yung director ng Black Swan. And malaki ang pasasalamat niya kay ating kababayan na si Matthew Libatic. Ang cinematographer, ang sabi nga niya na malaki ang itulong ni Matthew sa pagkaganda ng pelikula ng Black Swan.
Right. Can you tell us a little bit about King's Speech? Not too many people know about this movie.
Well, it's about King George VI. Kasi meron siyang stammering or stuttering problem. So, ang nakatulong sa kanya is an Australian speech therapist. So, napakaganda ng the way they told the story. And
Mark Wahlberg, got 2 nominations?
Yeah, isa sa mga nakusap namin, kababalang namin kasi nag-interview nga kami ng reactions about their nominations. Kababalang namin kay Mark. At once again, sinabi nga niya na malaking tulong din ang ating kababayan na si Manny Pacquiao sa pag-train. At sinabi nga niya na idol na niya si Manny and itong magkapatid na pinortray nila ni Christian Bale, si Vicky, at si Mickey.
Okay, so when are you guys going to vote on the winners?
Right now, medyo pahinga muna kami after some hectic period. Ang final ballots will be made after Christmas.
And I suppose you're not...
panibagong re-evaluation of kung sino maging final winners.
Right. So I suppose you're not going to tell us how you're voting.
Siyempre, Janelle. Pero ang maganda nito siyempre na may insider scoop ka at para tayong involved sa kung paano ang malaking headache dyan, kung paano uupo ang mga stars.
Right.
So, maswerte tayo, Janelle, at nakasama tayo sa pag-decide kung saan uupo ang mga stars at malaking yan.
Yes.
Malaking headache yan.
I would love to talk to you about that. Preparations for the Golden Globe Awards night, and that is happening on January 16th.
Yes.
Yes. All right. For now, though, thank you so much for sharing your insight with us. You know, we're very lucky that we have you here on Kababayan LA, always giving us the latest update from Hollywood. Thank you so much.
Salamat, Janelle.
And more power to you. That was Ruben Nepales, our Kababayan in the Hollywood Foreign Press Association Golden Globes nominations. But we're not done here on the show. When we return, we're going to be actually taking phone calls. Let's talk about the DREAM Act, Immigration Front naman. When we return, don't go away.